morning. In this video, we are going to see how to separate the odd and even integers in an array. Array is a data structure. In array, you have to insert, delete, search, and you have to perform several number of operations in array. In the last video, I have given the lecture on how to delete an element in an array, insert an element in an array. So these are the several videos that we have shown before. So in this video, we are going to see how to separate the odd numbers and even numbers. For example, let us declare A of 5. Array is a homogeneous set of elements and it will be sharing the common name. For example, A is equal to A into A of 5 in the sense it is starting from A of 0 and it will be reached up to the end of A of 0. So in this array, the first element is 25, second element 47 and 42, 56, 32. And 25 is an odd number. You can, when you see this number, you can easily judge it's an odd number. So how we are going to separate these numbers in separate arrays? So in this array, these two are odd numbers and these three are the even numbers. You have to separate these three even numbers in an array and separate these two odd numbers in another one array. So let us see this program. Include stdio.header file, standard input output header file, and you know why we are including this standard IO, because we are going to use the printf as well as the scanf functions. So you have to initialize three arrays, array 1, array 2, array 3, and all the sizes is declared as 10. You can change the size also. It is not a matter. And initialize I, j is equal to 0, k is equal to 0. So here you are going to give a printf statement, separate odd and even numbers. And how many elements you are going to insert, that will be given in this statement. And in this for statement, you are going to input the number of values. For example, if you are giving it as 5, 1, you are going to give a of 0 is some value, a of 1 is some other value, up to a of 4 you are giving some values. So in this for loop you are going to get the first value of array of I, a of array 1 of 0. For example, 25 mod 2 equal to 0, the condition is false, so it will comes to the else part. In the else part you have to give array of 3, k is equal to 0. K is 0, array of 3 is 0, and you have to store this 25 value in the array of 3 zeros position, and the k value should be incremented. For the suppose for example the next one is 46, so 46 mod 2 equal to 0, so you are going to store the value in array 2. By this way you have to check the number, and if it is mod by 2 equal to 0, and you have to store it in the array 2. Else you have to store in the array 3. Now you are going to print the elements. So you have to, in array 2 you are storing all the even number of elements. In array 3 you have to store the odd number of elements. So this is the way you have to separate the values. Now let us going to give some input values. So 5 elements you are going to give us an input. 25, 47, 42, 56 as well as 32. So this 25 and 47 are the two odd numbers and the remaining values are even numbers. So when you mod it 25 mod by 2, it is not equal to 0. So it goes for the else part and it will be stored in the array 3. And also the 47 is also an odd number. When you mod it by 2, you get the value of it is not equal to 0. So it gets stored in the array 3. So that is the way you have to separate the numbers in different array format. Thank you for watching.